you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. I can never get attached. When I start I feel unattached. So I always end up feeling bad. Baby, I'm not your dad. It's not all you want from me. I just want your company. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Look around looking brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. I can never get attached. When I start I feel unattached. So I always end up feeling bad. Baby, I'm not your dad. It's all you want from me. I just want your company. So why you trying to figure love on the regular?
When you could be going out just like my cellular.
I would never let a shawty go and set me up. Only thing I need to know is if you wet enough.
I'm talking slip back, kick back, games over 40s.
You keep playing nothing with your shorty. Mismatch fates that was way before you know me.
Got a lot of love, well you better save it for me.
We play games of love to avoid the depression.
We've been here before and I won't be your victim.
Why you always in the mood? Fuck around looking brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around looking brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. I can never get attached. When I start I feel unattached. So I always end up feeling bad. Baby, I'm not your dad. It's all you want from me. I just want your company.
We play games of love to avoid the depression.
We've been here before and I won't be your victim.
Let's get down to this. Give you one more night to get it. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to this. Let's get down to this. One more night to get it. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to this. One more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. Let's get down to business. Back and forth, the bullshit. You know I said before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I had your attention, so it might hurt to hit it. Dreams we had don't ever fall away. We can't leave them if you stay the same. No, I can't do this for another day. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get it. We've had a million nights just like this. Let's get down to business. One more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. Let's get down to business.
I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch. Baby, I look around and since city's cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I hit the road in overdrive, baby. Oh,
Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. I can never get attached. When I start, I feel unattached. So I always end up feeling bad. Baby, I'm not your dad. It's not all you want from me. I just want your company. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Look around looking brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. I can never get attached. When I start, I feel unattached. So I always end up feeling bad. Baby, I'm not your dad. It's all you want from me. I just want your company. So why you trying to figure love on a regular?
When you could be blowing up, just let myself in love.
I would never let a shawty go and set me up. Only thing I need to know is if you wet enough.
I'm talking sit back, kick back, games of my 40s.
You keep playing nothing with your shawty. Mismatch fates that was way before you know me.
Got a lot of love, well you better save it for me.
We play games of love to avoid the depression.
We've been here before and I won't be your victim.
Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. I can never get attached. When I start, I feel unattached. So I always end up feeling bad. Baby, I'm not your dad. It's all you want from me. I just want your company.
We play games of love to avoid the depression.
We've been here before and I won't be your victim.
Tell myself, yeah. I tell myself, oh, I tell myself, yeah. I tell myself that I will get across. Sometimes it's really difficult, sometimes it's really hard, but I just gotta do it, I just gotta be the star. I gotta go and make it, man, I knew it from the start. It's in my body and my soul, I feel it in my chest. So I just gotta do it, keep on chasing with this rap. So this is how we get it, man, I gotta get the bread. So I gotta go and chase it, man, I know that I'll be back, like. Yeah. I'll be back with a bag, I truly know it. All of y'all see it, man. See that I'm a poet. See that I just keep on straight for not just for the moment. I'm just doing this forever. I just gotta keep on going. It's what I'm breathing, it's what I'm loving. This is the only thing I'm having. So I gotta do it till the day that I'm in heaven. I know that I will do it. I will know that I will get it. So my opportunities I seize it, man. I gotta grab it. I've been on this way, man. I've been gravitating. I gotta do it, turn on. Well, the navigation. Well, actually, no, cause I just got it in my chest. Cause I know where I'll be going. I just know that I'm next. I just know that I'll be next, kid. So I gotta do it, I be building my connections. But I'm really coming with this motherfucking rap shit. I'ma go and do it, I just gotta go and get this.